Hello everyone, this is Tammy, Vice President of Operations here at Stratus Social Media, your social media virtual assistant. Today we're going to talk about how you install Google Analytics plugin, what Google XML is, and how to install your Google dashboard so you can see your web traffic on your website's dashboard. Last week I shared with you that Google Analytics is a free traffic reporting system offered by Google that generates detailed statistics about visitors to your website, such as how people found your site, what they did, and so on. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Google Analytics plugin so that you can measure the traffic directly from your website. You're also going to need the code that you received from Google last week so we can set up a profile within our dashboard. Now go to the dashboard and click on the Plugins tab over here in the navigation area. Then you want to add a new plugin, and here you want to type in Google Analytics and you want to click Search. When you do that, you see that Google Analytics is the first plugin that's available. We want to install this plugin. Once it's installed in your plugins directory, you're going to come to this screen right here and you want to activate your plugin. Over here you'll see that your plugin has now been activated. Next, you want to add the Google XML sitemap and the Google Dashboard plugins by following the exact same procedure that you did to install the Analytics. Okay? I've explained what Google Analytics are, but why do you need the Google XML sitemap plugin? This sitemap plugin is sitemaps that are used by many search engines to provide a reference point for websites. They are an XML file that includes all the pages of the website in a fashion that is easy for the search engines to reference and index. These sitemaps are a great way to let search engines find your new content a lot quicker. In other words, when you publish new posts in this plugin, it's going to notify the search engines so that they know you've just updated your website or your blog. Once you've installed the Google XML plugin, there's nothing else that you're going to need to do. Lastly, we're going to talk about the Google Analytics Dashboard plugin. Go to Plugins again, New, and type in Google Analytics Dashboard and activate your plugin. This plugin will give you access to your Google Analytics data directly inside your WordPress blog. Now that you've installed all of your Google plugins, let's go to the Settings tab in the navigation menu over here and set up these plugins. First, we're going to configure the Google Analytics Dashboard. At this screen, when you type in the email address and the password that you set up last week, when you do that, you want to click the Save Changes button. And after you've saved all of your answers, right here, you want to go back to the Google Analytics dashboard and you want to click on Google Analytics. Here, the only thing that you need to know is that this tab right here is showing because it shows you what website it is that you're wanting to get the results from. Now you're at the Google Analytics area of the dashboard. Earlier I told you that you're going to need an access code to the dashboard. If you didn't write this number down, it's okay. Let's go back to the Google Analytics dashboard. And here you're going to see the number that you need to be copying and pasting. It's a unique number that has been created for your website account so that you can measure your visitors. Copy this code right here, go back to your Google Analytics and paste it right here. Now this area right here, the asynchronous tracking, this right here means that the analytic tracking can be done at the same time as rendering other content and therefore won't delay other page content from rendering. This right here results in faster rendering of pages, so you do want to click yes and then you want to click Save Changes. Now we're going to go back to our dashboard, and here you see our Google Analytics dashboard has now been set up, and this is a mini version of the Google Analytics area that we set up last week. Of course, for a more in-depth review, you'll need to go sign in at the Google Analytics area. Next week, Andy's going to be talking more about SEO or search engine optimization keywords to use on your website. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to contact me at tammy@stratussocialmedia.com or at 205-202-1723. Thanks!